Hello everyone, I'm Kuber from GESAC. GESAC is a cutting tool supplier. We have three main business: tungsten powder, carbide rods, and cutting tools. For cutting tools, we have turning, hole making, and milling series, more than 300 types. First is our turning series. We have P, M, H, K, S. Can supply different material. Especially in Indonesia market, we recommend our P and K turning inserts for steel and cast iron. Next is our drilling. We have solid drill and drilling inserts. Next is our milling. Have milling inserts and solid end mill. This year, I will introduce our new series UP300 solid end mill. I will show more details of this series in next videos. Thank you.